Japan is a country that is both mysterious and mesmerizing. Cherry blossoms falling from trees, busy streets filled with neon lights, ancient temples and modern technology all come together to create a truly unique experience. From its delicious food to its rich history and culture, there's no shortage of things to see and do in this fascinating country. And today, we're going to explore some of its most surprising and interesting facts. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover some amazing facts about Japan. 1. It's an island nation with thousands of islands. Japan is an island nation located in East Asia. It is situated in the westernmost part of the Pacific Ocean and consists of over 6,800 islands. Despite its size, Japan is home to a rich variety of landscapes, from snow-capped mountains to lush green valleys and sandy beaches. Japan is known for its beautiful natural scenery, which is one of the main reasons why it is such a popular tourist destination. 2. Vending machines are everywhere. In Japan, vending machines are everywhere. There are approximately 5.5 million vending machines in Japan, which is one for every 24 people. The country has a wide range of vending machines that sell everything from drinks and snacks to hot soup and even fresh eggs. 3. Musical roads. Japan has a unique phenomenon known as musical roads. These are roads that produce music when vehicles drive over them. The grooves in the pavement create different musical notes depending on the speed of the vehicle. Drivers can use the roads to create their own tunes by adjusting their speed. 4. Slurping is polite. In Japan, slurping your noodles is not considered rude, but rather a compliment to the chef. It is a sign that you are enjoying the meal. Japanese people often slurp their noodles loudly to show their appreciation for the food. 5. Square watermelons. Really, square watermelons are a specialty of Japan. Farmers grow them inside cube-shaped molds to save space. The watermelons are then cut into smaller cubes and sold in stores. They may look unusual, but they taste just as sweet and refreshing as regular watermelons. And yes, they are a bit more expensive, costing almost 4 times more than regular watermelons. 6. The baby crying sumo contest. In Japan, there is a strange tradition called the baby crying sumo contest. During this event, sumo wrestlers try to make babies cry. The idea is to ward off evil spirits that have entered the baby's body. The wrestlers make funny faces and try to scare the babies until they cry. This may sound odd, but it is a centuries-old tradition that is still popular in some parts of Japan. 7. Trains that apologize for being 18 seconds late. Japan is known for its highly efficient and punctual trains. The trains are so precise that if they are even 18 seconds late, they will announce it over the intercom and hand out apology slips to passengers. The train staff are trained to make sure that the trains run on time, and they will do anything they can to avoid delays. Animal galore. Animal cafes are a big deal in Japan. In addition to the more common cat cafes, there are also dog cafes, owl cafes, and even hedgehog cafes. Customers can go to these cafes to hang out with animals and enjoy a cup of coffee. The cafes are a great way to relax and distress, and they are also very popular with tourists. 9. Okinawa's longevity diet. Okinawa is a small group of islands in southern Japan. The people who live there are known for their long lifespans. Many of them live past the age of 100. The secret to their longevity is their diet. The Okinawa diet is full of healthy foods that are high in antioxidants, such as tofu, fish, and soy. It is also a plant-based diet that is low in meat and dairy products. The Okinawa diet is one of the healthiest diets in the world, and it is a major reason why the people of Okinawa live so long. 10. Dance ban lifted only in 2015. In Japan, dancing in public was illegal until 2015. The law was put in place after World War II, and it was designed to prevent people from dancing in a way that was deemed inappropriate. The ban lasted for over 70 years, but it was finally lifted in 2015. This has led to a dance revolution in Japan, with more and more people feeling comfortable dancing in public spaces. Well, there you have it, 10 amazing facts about Japan. From its stunning natural beauty to its unique cultural traditions, Japan is truly a one-of-a-kind country. Did you learn something new? Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.